What are you afraid of? What is it that you're afraid of? What is it that's causing some anxiety in you? You may have been in a state of denial or trying to avoid it or tell yourself that it's nothing, but it's time for you to face that that uncomfortable feeling or that fear or something that you've been dreading. You need to free yourself and liberate yourself and move on, because this is not letting you move ahead the way you want. Okay, we have to go through this. It's like a test. You have all the capabilities to excel at, but this is something that you have to cross, right? Life is at large a journey into the unknown. We don't know what's coming most of the time, and sometimes these tests, these obstacles really come to help us understand something that we wouldn't have otherwise. You need to release this unresolved story or whatever it is. I wouldn't want to call it a fear, but something that you're not facing. What would you do about this situation if you had no fear, no obligation, nothing that's stopping you, just being your primal raw self? What would you do? Also, I see that you're in a no nonsense phase. You're moving with a graceful yet an assertive approach, and you're giving importance to both your emotions and your feelings, and also your intelligence and perception. I have a fabulous set of potent cards for today. Okay, before I begin with that, I want to tell you that don't be concerned about the whys. Okay, let's be more focused on the how. How do I do it? How do I get that? What can I do? Don't be bothered by why and when and kaise hoga, kyun hoga. Focus on how. How can I make this happen? Look around you. Okay, what activates your energy? What is, if you're a bee or a pollinator, which flower would you go to? Who's calling you? What's calling you? What is your flower? Find your flower. Okay, so coming to these cards, it is technically the first and the last cards of the major arcana. Okay, now this signifies that you have completed successfully a cycle, a mission, lesson of one of the highest goals of probably this life. Now you must be feeling a sense of confidence. Deep down, there is this shift within you deep down, and you know it. You've been feeling this sense of wholeness and completeness. This might not be as external and material really as it is internal and personal. You really feel it in you that something has shifted. I just want to say, please go ahead and do what you want. This is your time to shine.